A grain of wheat remains no more than a single grain, unless it is dropped into the ground and dies. If it does die, then it produces many grains.
You believe in the Lord, Joseph?
I'm not dead.
Yes, I do, Mrs. Quinn.
You think there's a hell? Think we're there?
He's been blind to what's going on out here for a long time.
Right now, good men are not what the moment requires.
You don't want to go down that path, John.
Right now, the time calls for dark men to do dark things.
Bad guy. Don't know what happened to him. Used to be a good man.
May God have mercy on your evil soul.
I see devils tearing your life away. If you've made your peace, then the devils are really angels, freeing you from the earth.
Far too pain. Everybody is a cripple.
We're all alone in the world.
It doesn't matter. Kill them all.
You watching? You seeing all this? You seeing this? Come on, goddammit! One of you sons of bitches.
Already clear the house.
Here we go.
See you in hell, my money.
Please get back in bed. Already clear the house. Damn it!
Maybe we're here to be punished.
Может быть, это потому, что меня флешбэчит вот в те бы трипы, которые я пережил. Я всегда слышал дьявольский смех, он звучал где-то внутри.
I've got a light. I adore demons. You shut the fuck up.
God gave you the gift of pity.
Yes, he did. It's the only gift he gave me.